Hello, I'm with OptiSigns Customer Success. In this short video, I'd like to show you how to access the Troubleshooting menu from within the OptiSigns application when running OptiSigns on your Amazon Fire device. While not a common occurrence, when working with the OptiSigns Customer Success team, we may ask you for the information on this screen or a screenshot or picture of the information on this screen to better assess and resolve any issues you may be experiencing. To access the troubleshooting screen, you'll first want to press the up directional on your Amazon remote. This should pull up the OptiSigns application side menu. You're going to want to navigate all the way down the list here until you get to the advanced options. Then you're going to want to press down 2 times and you'll be at the troubleshooting option. Go ahead and select the troubleshooting menu option and you'll get this overlay on your screen here. This is what myself or my team may request. This is our troubleshooting menu, and that is how you access it. If you have any other additional questions or concerns, you can reach out to the support team at support@optisigns.com or with the little green help buttons in the lower right-hand corner of the web portal.